Hi, I'm Mikky from Event with Mikky, and I'm losing my voice, but I'm going to keep doing this video anyway. This is my cousin Jordan, hey, and today we're going to be making bumper boats. So I'm really excited. What our bumper boat is we're using 2 leftover tubes after my dad sold his boat, and we're going to put an outboard motor into the middle of it. Yeah. Put our butt on the outside and legs hanging over, and we're each going to have our own one, and we're going to take them down to the lagoon, and we're going to
bump into each other.
Yeah, bump cars and play bump wars with them. So the first thing we're going to need to do is to cut a circle of plywood to fit in the middle of our tube. Okay, now we're sanding the edges. Now it's time to attach the blocks.
And now it's time to drill the hole for the shaft.
Okay, we've got a hole, so we're going to put the plywood into the tube and then we're going to blow the tube up.
Yeah. Way too.
So I'm going to use a hot pipe to burn a hole through the tube so that the shaft of the outboard motor can stick up through our tube. All good. Time to get the outboard through. We're going to push it into the hole that we made. Help, Dad.
Oh, it's a big mushroom.
Umbrella. Okay, stop it. So we got the motor down the bottom now, and now we can turn it and direct where we want to go. Time to put the battery in. Now we need to connect the wires to the battery. So we're going to put the steering arm on. Now it's time to go to the lake. Yes! Woo! This went the whole way. Yeah, but we're
It's heavy.
yeah, you can take
Alright.
it first, Jordan.
No, we're going to go together. You alright? Can you see how to unclip it? Don't go near the fisherman.
You're coming near us now.
Undo that!
She's got it.
Can't you bring it in?
Oh, that was a really big fail, and it was also super scary, and it felt like you were going to chop your legs off and get killed by the dizziness. So do not make one, and stay away from bumper boats. Bye!
Bye!